So
What type of ROTC do you have? Like, do you guys have like Army ROTC or not? No, I go.
I think we have something like that. I don't know the exact name of it.
I think ours was Navy when I was in my high school. Our ROTC
I
was
think
Navy.
ours might be Army too.
There's different ones. There's
Yeah, they do
Navy,
every branch,
Air
right?
Force, Army. Huh?
Do they do the Coast Guard ROTC? Is that a thing?
I don't think they do the Coast Guard a lot of schools.
That'd be
It
funny,
goes,
dude.
that kind of goes into Navy and
Right.
I know Navy are in NJ ROTC, Air Force, and then there's
Oh,
Army.
never mind. So ours was Air Force. Ours was totally Air Force. Now I remember it. Yeah, ours was Air Force in my high school.
No, I think
And
ours
then
is Army too.
Yeah.
mine's is Navy.
Dr. Gold, I started learning graphs, functions.
Okay.
Well, we know what they are, but like
Well, I
more
need help
complex
with that.
stuff. And I need help.
Okay, dude.
The word problems are kind of hard. I
Post.
posted it.
You already posted. Oh, dude, look at this, dude. Phillips always on the ball, dude. That's cool, man.
So what you're gonna need is your TI-84.
Oh, I do have my TI-84. You see
84
that?
plus, yes.
I have a TI-84
what?
plus.
We don't have to buy one. The school provides us with them.
They give you one?
We get to rent it. Yeah.
Oh, you get to rent? Oh, that's smart, dude. Because honestly, that's like the biggest, like... Oh, didn't I tell you to go buy one because it was cheap at Target or something?
Yeah. But then my teacher was like, "Don't buy one," even though half the class did. And he's like, "We have rentals available."
Yeah, but, I mean, honestly, when you go to college, you'll need one.
You're gonna need one, yeah.
You need one anyways. That's nice of them to rent them out to you because honestly, it is like a pretty cost prohibitive thing that they make you pay like
Apparently, they're not
$150.
supposed to, but they were able to bring some from other schools in the district.
Oh, okay. That's cool.
So what we learned today was we learned how to do like y equals and like set it up into the calculator. We learned how to graph,
Oh, okay.
zoom in, zoom out, how to show like a table and everything, how to put in like absolute.
What class is this for, dude?
Algebra 2.
Oh, okay. I remember you do
like
chemistry and
how to
stuff.
put it in calculators.
Let me put this in the
I'm kind of stuck. In biology, I need help in biology. I was looking it up today. Biology.
Twitch and earn. One sec.
Heard me, Cole? I'm looking it up. You're doing biology today.
Okay, all right, cool. All right, Philip, let me get in. What's today? Wednesday?
Today is Wednesday.
Halfway through the week, dude. We're here. You buy a personal. I read this as you buy a personal Warcraft or something. Is what I read this as originally.
Number 62. So.
Watercraft. The depreciated value after T number of years is this. Use the constraints of the model and graphing utility to graph the equation using an appropriate viewing window. Okay. Do you know how to do this? It's not too hard.
So I just basically plug in y equals 8250 minus 689x.
Minus 689x. Yeah, go ahead.
So let me plug it into the calculator. Y equals 8250 689x, and then I press graph. Oh wait, but then I need to do the zoom in feature.
Right, so you're gonna hit trace, right? You hit trace, this button right here, this left one.
So
and then you need to go to window, and you got to set what your window is, right? So the window is like what parts of the graph are you looking at? So in this case, they say that you want T to go from what to what.
Wait, hold up.
Hi, Icy. Yeah, you're first in the Twitch.
Window. Okay.
Yeah, window.
So x minimum will be 0.
Oh, dude, thanks for the follow, bro. Whoa, we got a follow. Yeah, nice.
So
thanks.
X minimum will be 0. And
quality Rari, dude. Pew pew. Yeah, sorry. What will X min be?
So X minimum inside a window will be 0.
Good. What will X max be?
X max will be 10.
Good, very good. And then X scale just tells you like how much the divisions are. You can leave that as it is.
Yeah, I have mine as 1. I think that should be.
That's fine. Yeah, okay. Then what about the Y minimum?
So Y minimum standard should be -10, right?
Well, okay. So Y minimum is like what's the lowest Y value you expect? So in this case, let's look at our model here. You can actually, this is a linear equation, right?
Yeah.
Philip. So it's just a line, right? This is just a line. So you could even before you even graph, right? You know that and this is right. This is Y versus T. We know that we're going from T equals 0 to T equals 10. Okay. And at t equals 0, what is y going to be?
0.
No.
Wait.
Wait.
What do you mean?
There we go. Sorry. Y is equal to 8250, right? Minus 689t.
Oh,
Okay.
okay, yeah.
If t equals 0, so this is really what we call this. This is
8250. It'll be
there you
8250.
go. There you go. Very good. Very good. Yeah. So this is y of t.
So I'm gonna need to plug that into a calculator.
You don't need to. I mean, because look, dude, if this is 0, right, dude, this is all that's left, right? So this is going to be your maximum y value because you know that this slope. What is this slope, positive or negative?
That's positive.
No. It's minus 689t.
Oh, I kind of forgot about that.
Yeah, do you see this? Well, so usually Philip, you usually have like y equals mx plus b, right?
Mm-hmm.
Where like,
that's like your standard.
yeah, but they've done it this way. They've done it b plus mx, which is okay.
Okay.
Sometimes what they call this is they call this b0 plus b1x is I think the form that they call it. But
so for my y max, should I put in the 8250?
good, yes, because this is negative, right? Which means if this is starting at 8250 up here, you know it's gonna slope down. It has to go down anyways. Oh, Raiden's got some questions too. Thanks, Raiden.
Or we just leave it?
And Raiden, I can help you with cancer too. Well, I can't help you with cancer. I can help you with questions on cancer. Sorry, what did you say, Philip?
So what would you put your y minimum at?
Ah, good question. Okay, so the furthest. So since this is sloping down, right? You know, what's the lowest value of y that you're gonna see? Or what t value is that gonna happen at? My McDonald Wi-Fi is not letting me see. High quality Rari, what's up, dude? Or girl, or bro, or sister, or student, cool person. Just stop. Well, follower. You know, we're closer to 200 now. We're at 195. That's pretty dope. Appreciate that. Appreciate the follow. So Philip, if I plug in t equals 10, what do I get?
You get negative 6,890.
Well, yeah, that's what this part becomes, right? This becomes. Tina's making me hydrate. So you get 8250 minus 6,890. So what is that?
Like 2,000 something.
Yeah, that's like 2,700-ish, I guess, right? Actually, 1,700-ish, right?
1,700.
8250 minus 6890. Even if I rounded this to 7,000, right? Lowest that would be 1,250.
So you want to make it make it a 0?
Just because it's easier for me to do 8250.
So minus 20 would probably just be like the easiest thing to do.
No, that's too far. It's too low. Because Philip, what's the lowest y value between t equals 0 and t equals 10 for this equation?
That's going to be like 13.
No. Okay. Here. Check the endpoints, right? This is always a thing you can do, Philip. You can always just check the endpoints, especially if this is a linear thing. The endpoints, I mean, is this point, 0, 8250, right? That's right here.
Okay.
And I want to check where this point is, right? This point is 10, something, right? How do I figure out what this something is?
Plug it into the calculator?
Good. You can plug it into the calculator, right?
So I will have to go to... What is it?
You just go to the home page. Just go to home.
Calculator value and then...
No. So you can just go to the home page, right? Just go to the home page, right?
Okay, so hold up. So it's going to be 10 and then 1,360.
1,360. Oh, okay, you got that. Oh, good. Okay, 1,300. Okay, you did the math. Okay, good. Yeah. For those of you watching, all Philip did is he just plugged in 10 here for t. And so he did 8250 minus 6890. He got 1360. Cool. That's the lowest y value, Philip. So that's what you want your y min to be, right?
Mm-hmm.
You also want to think about, like, y min needs to be something realistic, right? We're talking about, like, what are we graphing here? What is y, like, in words? Like, it's the depreciated value, right?
Depreciated value after years.
Yes. Is the depreciated value of anything ever going to be really negative?
Not really.
Yeah. Can anything be worth like less than $0?
Negative years. So.
Yeah. Right. Well, and that's also why t is going from 0 to 10. But yeah. So that's why, like, I know you were saying like, oh, let's just make y min minus 10. I'm like, I mean, that's sometimes a good rule of thumb. But if you want to be like absolutely correct, like, first off, your depreciated whatever the fuck value you have can't even be negative, so it doesn't make sense for you to look at a negative value for y. And if you look at the endpoints, right, the lowest value of y you're actually going to have is 1360. So that's what your y min should be. Okay. So y min is
So, use the
1360.
constraints of the model and a graphing utility to graph the equation using an appropriate viewing window. So that's like in my calculator, right?
Well, yeah, so that's what we set with window, right?
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Oh
So
my-
window then y equals 10? Or no, 13.
Y min equals 1360. What is y max?
8,250.
Good. Now just hit trace.
Trace and then
Do you see how there's just like a straight line? You see that?
straight
everyone?
line going from top left to bottom right.
Yeah, we see that shit. Look at that.
And then
I
how
don't
do
know.
I
See on the stream.
like recenter the dot so it stays on the line? Do I press trace again?
No, just trace should keep it on the line, and if you just move like left to right, it'll move it around the graph. Do you see that?
Okay, yeah, because it was not like calibrated on. I just press trace again.
Yeah. If you hit graph allows you to move the cursor anywhere, but trace will force it to follow the graph. That's the difference between trace and graph for a TI-84. Okay. They wanted you to determine the value of t when.
Do you have like the digital version?
Like, that would be cool if I had like, you mean like an
the white
emulator?
Screen? Do you have like the white screen and like?
Oh, I have yeah. This is the color version, the CE, I think is what it's called.
Yeah, I don't have that. I got the TI-84 Plus.
Well, this is the TI-84 Plus. This is for the TI-84 Plus CE is what it is.
Yeah. So
It was on sale. It was $100 at Target.
Using zoom and trace features on the graph utility, determine the value of t when y equals 5,545.25.
Okay.
So
you can't really do that using zoom and trace, honestly. I mean, you could. It's just that's kind of a bitch. Like they want you to basically like zoom all the way in to like figure out where that is. Do you see on trace as you move it to the left and the right at the bottom? You see like x equals y equals, right? So you could technically get this close, right, to where you see y
like
equals.
an estimate, kind of, right?
Right. So you can get close to y equals. What is it?
But there's another way to figure out.
There is. Okay. So here's what you do. So go back to y equals. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And now we're gonna type in the y value that I'm trying to figure out, which is what y value am I trying to get?
You're trying to get y equals 5,545.25.
Good. So I'm gonna put 5545.25 into like my y2. Let's put that in y2. Yeah, let's put that in y2. Okay. Put that in y2, right?
Okay.
Okay, and then hit trace again.
Trace. Okay, I see the line that goes straight across.
Good. You see that? So that's y equals 5545.25. So this is actually a very cool thing because this is how you can solve any sort of if you have an algebra problem, right, where you have two equations and you're trying to say that they're like equal to each other and you're trying to figure out where that happens, you can use a graphing calculator to do it graphically, which is cool.
So then how would I get the exact number?
Good. So second, go to second calc.
Calc.
Okay, cool.
Value.
No, intersect.
Intersect, okay.
Cool. Then it's going to hit first curve. You just say enter, right?
First curve, enter.
Second curve.
545.25 x equals.
No. You just click enter because it's already selecting y1.
It told me like y equals.
Yeah, and then it'll select the next curve.
3 point. Wait. Next curve. Guess.
Yeah, guess is just like come up with a value what you think it is. You honestly don't have to put anything there.
Okay, so 3.9293.
Yes, good. Yeah, 3.993. You see how that works?
Yeah.
So this is a very, very handy thing, Philip. If any time you have like y equals blah 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 blah. Let's say y is like some complicated ass shit. It's like x to the fourth plus 3x squared plus 2x minus 6, right? And I want to figure out where does this equal, I don't know, like 69 or something. I'm like 69 equals this, say x to the fourth plus 3x squared plus 2x minus 6. What I can do is I can graph this thing as y1. Then I can graph y2 is just equals to 69. And then if I want to figure out where y1 equals y2, you can graph the two, look for the intersect, and that will tell you the solution. That'll tell you what value of x will make this equal to this.
All right, so then Now, if I want to just check the work, it says like an algebra, I'll just reverse it and then just plug in 3.93 for the t.
Well, so now they're asking for something different. They're saying determine the value of y when t equals 5.5. So beforehand, what we were doing is we were finding out the value of t so that y would equal 5545. Now they want the value of y when t is equal to 5.5.
Okay, done.
Oh, so we did the opposite.
We did B. We did part B. So part B was finding the value of t given
okay,
given
but then
y.
it says it wants me to verify your answer algebraically. So I just plug in 3.93 for t in the equation.
Well, no. Algebraically, you could do this, right? So algebraically, you have this. You have 80. Here, I'll put it on a new page. You have 8250, right? Minus what is it? 689t.
Yep.
I can't be in the stream today. I'm sorry.
Oh, it's okay, Grim. Good to see you here, bro.
Yeah.
And this needs to.
Once I'm not gonna be in the stream.
This is you're still here in the Discord. You're good. So this has to equal what? 5545.25.
Yep.
So 5545.25, right? You see how this whole thing here, right, was y1 and this was y2 basically, and I set them equal, and I just said where they intersect. Okay, but how can I solve this algebraically?
If I want to subtract 5545.25 by both sides.
I would subtract 8250 from both sides.
Okay.
Right. Right. So now I get negative 689t, right, is equal to whatever this is, but
negative 689t equals
minus 8250.
45.25 minus 8250 equals negative 2704.75.
Good. And then what do? What's the next step?
Divide each side
Good.
by 689.
Negative 689, right?
It's negative 689.
Okay, then what'd you get?
Negative 689. I got equals positive 3.93.
Wow, look, it's the same answer. Isn't that cool?
Okay, so now part C. Let's see.
So now they want you to figure out. So last time, so in part B, we figured out like what the value of t was. Now we're gonna figure out what the value of y is.
All right, so this is easy because you can just go into.
You can even just go into trace, dude, and you can just type in
second calc value and 5.5 for x. Y equals 4460.5.
Done. There you go. Cool.
4460.5, and then for algebraically,
you would just plug it in.
8,
What's
2,
up,
5,
Sora?
0,
Sora got his
6,
coin, dude.
8, 9,
Nice, Sora. Nice Nick too.
5.5
Very good.
equals 4460.5.
Yeah,
Easy.
good.
Right,
Easy. Right, cool. Awesome. That makes sense.
Yep.
Nice. All right, cool.
Hold up. I need to redeem the bond coin. Where is it?
Oh, yeah, here, yeah. And I got to give you one for asking a question. Raiden, you here? I'm gonna do your question next, dude.
Agreement, then you're.
And then I need to like review the different types of functions and what they look like.
Oh, okay.
Other functions.
Yeah, that's just graphing stuff. Just graph, memorize. If you need help on how the transformations work, you can do that later. Raiden, what's up, dude? You here, Raiden? Raiden. There you are, dude. You gotta speak up, Raiden, sometimes, dude. I know you're the cool, calm, silent type, but okay. Here's a good question. What is the length of the segment if A is 0.15 and B is 1 minus 2? That's cool. Do you know how to do this?
That don't look like algebra to me. I mean,
no, this is geometry. Is what this is. You're in geometry, Raiden, aren't you?
Yes, I am.
I
Okay.
didn't do anything like that in geometry.
Yeah, no, this is geometry. Okay. Do you know how to do this, Raiden?
No.
Okay. So these are 2 points. These are 2 points. Okay, we got 2 points here. So what you can do is you can graph this if you want. You can look at it, right? Where would 0.15 be on the graph?
15.
Good.
On the y-axis.
15 on the y-axis and 0 on the x-axis, right? This is x, this is y. Probably somewhere up here, right? This is 0, 15. Okay. And then where is 1 minus 2?
1 quadrant 4
Good, very good. Yeah, that's actually a good
down
answer.
2
Yeah, down 2, good.
at
So
1.
over 1, down 2, right? So this is like, and here I'm going to, just to make it look easier, I'm going to put it here. Okay, 1 comma minus 2. Okay? Very cool.
Okay.
All right, so now we need to figure out the distance between these two points, right? Which that's this, right? If this is point A, right?
Yes.
This is point B. Okay, cool. So this is why it's geometry. If you guys want to see why this is actually geometry.
Because it sucks.
Because it sucks? No, dude. Geometry doesn't suck. Geometry is one of the weirder math classes, I will say, because it's like arts and crafts and shapes and stuff, and you're like, what the fuck? Like, but there is math in it. It's inherently math.
Geometry is retarded.
No, Grim, don't
Whoa,
say
whoa.
that. Grim, don't say that. Grim,
Grim.
Grim's like, I'm not gonna be on the
Yes,
stream,
sir.
but I am gonna yell at things. All right, so
Don't worry. You're not gonna have to scream. Don't
okay,
worry, don't
good,
worry.
good.
Chill. Take a chill pill.
I don't. Yeah. No problems, Grim. Please. Today's like the first day I woke up and there wasn't like a fucking dumpster fire in the Discord from you guys. I'm so happy.
It's because I was playing. It's because I called Kidder early in the morning and we just played.
Good. I'm glad you found a creative outlet for that.
Continue.
Yeah, continue. Okay. So, Raiden, do you see how this forms like a triangle? The distance
Yeah.
between these 2 points?
Yes.
Yeah, right? You kind of see this is cool. This is kind of like a triangle.
Yeah.
Okay. What do you know about and specifically, this is a special type of triangle. What type of triangle is this?
Right triangle.
Good. Very good. Very good, Raiden. It's a right triangle, okay? So, what do we know about the side lengths of right triangles?
That they equal 90?
Well, one of the angles equals 90. That's correct. But what about the lengths? Here, let's call this like I'm gonna call this delta y, and I'm gonna call.
Pythagorean.
Yes, I know,
Theorem.
Phil. Let him say though. You're good.
Oh, that thing. Yeah, I know what that. I don't know how to say it. It's a weird.
It's
word,
all good.
but I know what
Pythagorean is what it is. Pythagorean.
I don't know what to say.
Okay. But do you,
Pythagorean.
Pythagorean theorem. All right. So if I'm gonna call this side delta y, I'm gonna call this delta x, and then here let's call this d, right? The distance, or let's call this the length L. Okay. The Pythagorean theorem. Sorry, what?
Continue.
Continue. Okay. So what the Pythagorean theorem tells me is that one of these sides squared, right? Plus the other side squared has to
Yes.
equal what?
You lost me.
The last one squared. Cool, right? So, you see how this is what I'm looking for, right? This is the length between the 2 points. So another way to write this would be L is equal to the square root of delta y squared
Okay.
plus delta x squared. Okay.
A squared plus b squared equals c squared. That's
Very-
what you're telling me right now?
Very good. It's a squared plus b squared equals c squared, but now we're just solving for c, basically, right? Usually we have like a squared plus b squared, right, equals c squared. But in this case, c is equal to the square root of a squared plus b squared. Because if I ever want to get rid of a power, like a square power, I just square root both sides.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Cool.
Yes.
So
Yes.
so now let's put some numbers on something here. Okay. So what is delta y, for instance? What is the length of this part of the triangle?
I don't know.
Okay. Well, let's look at our graph, right? So
Okay.
this point here starts at what y value?
15.
15. Very good. And it ends at what y value?
Oh, that's a lot of counting.
That's a lot of
15.
counting. Well, you can look at the
That's
number
a
here.
big-
What does it end at?
Oh, -2.
-2. So how far does it have to go from 15 to -2?
Equation time.
Equation time. Well, this is easy. So Raiden, think about how far does it have to go to 0?
Wait, it's 17.
Good, 17. Yeah, good. Right. So that tells you right here, right, that delta y is equal to 15 minus -2, which that's equal to 17. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now let's look at delta x. So how far in x does it have to go?
In X.
Mm-hmm. Because that's what delta x always means change, is what it means. So we're going from x equals 0 to x equals what?
1.
1. Very good. So what's the length of x, delta x? What's the change in x?
Is it 1?
Good. It's 1. Yeah. So now you have what you need to figure out in your equation, right? And you get that L is equal to the square root of delta y squared, right? So that's 17 squared. Or here, let me make the colors correct. I like the colors. The colors are fun. 17 squared plus 1 squared. Okay. This you kind of need a calculator on, right? Because I don't really know what 17 squared is off the top of my head. I know 15 squared is 225. What is 17 squared?
Okay, I'll try to do it in my head here.
Yeah, right. Let me see. 17
I don't
squared.
know.
289. It's 289.
289.
So we have the square root of 289 plus 1 squared. 1 squared is just 1, right? So it's just going to equal the square root of 290.
Oh.
You see how that's one of the... And, oh, you always got to say, like,
I was-
units, right?
I was one off. I put 291.
Ah, okay. So this is cool. So what's up, H Colt? Good to see you, bro. Pythagorean, yeah.
I have another question.
So this is where the distance between 2 points comes in terms of it being like a right triangle, right, with the Pythagorean theorem. The easier way that usually that they'll have you memorize it, Raiden, is let's. Oh wow, my pen is very. That's a very okay. There we go, much better.
Distance formula.
The distance formula, right? So if I have x1, x2, sorry, x1, y1, right, and I have x2, comma y2, the distance is always equal to the square root of y2 minus y1 squared plus x2 minus x1 squared. Okay? That's the formula I want you to memorize. But you see how this is just basically the Pythagorean theorem, right? Because this right here, right? y2 minus y1, that's called delta y. That's the change in y. x2 minus x1, that's delta x. It's the change in x. So when we were looking at our graph here, right? You see how it was delta y squared plus delta x squared equals L squared? And the ordering doesn't matter, right? It doesn't matter if I put this one first or this one first, like, you know, because it's A plus B is the same as B plus A, right? A plus B equals B plus A type thing. So yeah, that's where it comes from. Does that make more sense? More sense to you, Raiden? Waiting. Raiden.
Oh my god.
Raiden, does that make more sense to you, Raiden?
Oh, I was finally unmuted. I didn't even realize that.
Why are you muted, dude? You're also deafened, bro. Oh, he just left. Oh man. Okay, all good. Well, Raiden, I assume you got that. Congratulations, Raiden.
You guys okay?
Yeah, we're okay, dude. Wait,
You guys okay? I
Wha-
can't even hear anyone.
Yeah, why are you server deafened? Who server deafened you?
I don't know. I don't know why I was serving deafened.
I
Okay.
do not have perms. I do not have permission. So
Yeah.
do not look at me.
Only yeah. Okay, whatever. Cool. All right. Nice. Okay. Good. Okay.
Hey, Dr. Gold, what's going on with the sponsors?
What's going on with the sponsors? What sponsors?
Yeah, you talking to them or what?
Oh yeah.
I'm the ultimate sponsor. I'm the ultimate sponsor right now.
Yeah, I again I had a phone call with a lawyer yesterday, and they're talking to their people to see if they'll take us on to do all the paperwork and whatnot, and then it's easier for me to get like official sponsors for things, because
Are
then
we allowed to get legal lollies in this server?
no, dude, what lolly is not legal, dude? What are you talking about?
I said legal lollies.
Oh, legal lolly, but dude, that's like saying legal drugs, which I guess there are legal drugs, but you know what I'm saying? Like,
Exactly.
like non-deadly guns. It's like what? I can't see or hear
Yeah,
nothing.
they're called Nerf guns.
Nerf guns. Wait, you can't see or hear anything? What's wrong? You can't. Wait, can you guys hear on the stream? Is the stream okay?
Yeah, we can hear. Well,
Yeah.
hold on, let me check the stream.
Oh, okay. All right. Well, I don't know.
Yeah, stream's okay.
Okay, cool. Nick was saying something. All right, but Nick's watching on a PS4. Let's see who else was posting in the teacher's lounge. Oh shit. Oh, Mechanical's been in the hospital. Oh shit, Brown dude. Oh shit, man.
Why is he in the hospital?
Says he's sick, dude.
You got COVID?
Hope not.
That's the only possible reason I can see someone in the hospital.
Yeah, he said he was sick yesterday, which he said he had like nausea or something, which I guess is actually a symptom of COVID, right? I think is having nausea or having
Yeah. Oh no. Oh no.
Oh
And
no.
the funny thing is,
What's up,
I was
Mason?
joking around with I was joking around the other day saying that I think it was with Raiden, saying that who needs guns? You can just use COVID to kill the school. You can't get arrested for that.
Oh my god. Yeah. Well, you shouldn't want to kill people. That's not a nice thing. Yeah.
No, we were just talking about how the school shooter wasted bullets.
Oh man, that's
Did
edgy.
you see what happened today?
Yeah, there's another shooting in Dallas, dude. There's another one.
Mhm.
Another one in
All
Texas,
these
dude.
shootings are
Crazy.
getting serious.
What's all these Texas shootings,
you-
dude? People need to fucking chill out.
Like Texas, bro. It's reasonable because almost everyone in Texas owns a gun.
Yeah.
But come on.
Well, yeah, like if I remember, I told you once before that someone actually pointed a gun at me in 8th grade.
Why?
Huh?
Why would someone point a gun at you?
He was just showing me his gun. I'm like, no
Oh.
way, you brought a gun to school. Then he pulled
What
it
the
out.
fuck,
the
dude?
teacher-
What?
while the
Why is an
while the
8th grader
teacher-
bringing a gun to school?
I don't know. Like, and while the teacher turned around, he pulled it out and he was just pointing it at me. I'm like, should I tell him to shoot me to see how it feels? Or,
Yeah, dude, it'd be the last thing you feel,
should I
bro.
just be quiet?
Oh my god.
I just want to see how painful a gun is.
Yo, Grim, did you have a question? I remember you said you had a math or science question you wanted to ask last time, but
Yeah.
we didn't have
How do you
time.
do fractions?
How do you do fractions? Okay, that's
Yeah, how do you actually no, actually I'll ask a question I've been meaning to ask since like 7th grade. Can you teach me how to do percentages for money again?
how to do what for money?
Percentages for money.
Oh, percentages for money. Yeah, it's a good question, H. Cole.
Like,
Honestly, the 8th grader
I'm
probably has a
confused.
gun because his parents have a gun, and the parents are dumb. Okay, percentages for
Mm.
money. What do you mean? Like how does tax work? Is that what you want to learn? Like how to
Yeah.
tax and discounts
Yeah.
work? That's actually pretty cool.
Mm.
Yeah, you're right, H. Cole.
Yeah,
Parents definitely should be keeping it locked away. And honestly, they should charge the parents for.
I know,
for I that.
know, right? But I didn't tell anyone about someone pointing a gun to me except my parents.
Oh, you should definitely dude. If someone brings a gun to school, go fucking tell someone, please.
Yeah, that's like.
Yeah, that's like not cool, dude.
Safety.
Yeah, it's a safety thing, dude. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Here, Grim, are you watching? Are you listening? Because I'm only gonna. I'm only gonna.
from the Discord.
I'm only. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. Good.
Can I get some what's it called?
Some what?
A ban point since I can't get any channel points today.
You can get one for asking a question. I can't
Yeah.
control I can't control the channel points. Twitch controls the channel points. So.
Yeah. Because Twitch is weird. Twitch is just weird.
Well, I think
Doesn't let
Twitch
people watch it
Twitch
on
got
video.
hacked. Mechanical showed me. I think Twitch got hacked this morning. They apparently dumped all of the streamers' revenues and whatnot.
Yep.
Like, and I'm like, yo,
That's true.
where's my revenue? It's probably at the bottom of the list there somewhere.
Oh,
Okay.
up.
All right, Grim, what's something you'd want to buy, dude? Grim, give me something you'd want to buy.
A girl.
God damn it! No, you can't buy girls. Well, you can, but
I
no.
mean,
You heard? I mean, everything has a price in life.
Everything does have a price, but no, we're not doing that. Come up with something else. It's not ridiculous. Grim, please.
PS5. Do the PS5.
I wanna. Well, technically, this isn't buying. I wanna pay to repair my Xbox.
This is good. Okay, cool. I like that. That's a good one, actually. Okay.
The guy over the phone said that it would be $120 for disassemblement, stuff like that.
Okay. So here's a good one. Here's one. Say Grim wants to repair his Xbox. Okay. Okay. The guy says it will cost.
$120.
It will cost $120. Okay, cool. But we're gonna say $120. without tax, like before taxes. Okay.
Yeah, probably so because because what's it called?
So then the
Because
question
he
is,
never said anything about that.
yeah, right.
He never said anything
And
about that.
technically, if he's a good law-abiding citizen, he's supposed to charge taxes. So we can ask, how much will Grim pay out the door? You know what that means, paying out the door?
Yeah,
What does it mean?
I don't know.
Dude, what? If I ask you what does something mean and you say yes, and then I ask you what it means and you say I don't know, that's contradicting yourself, Grim. Grim, it's okay. So this is also a thing I want to teach you guys. Like, if you don't understand something, just tell me you don't get it, right? It's cool. That's why I'm here. Just ask. Okay, paying out the door, guys, is kind of like an idiom. It's like a phrase for like how much money did it actually cost you to like walk out with that item. A classic example of why paying out the door matters is buying a car. Okay, I know it's probably many years before any of you guys buy a car, but whenever you walk into a dealership,
Actually, I don't really need to buy a car because my uncle said that once I get my driver's license, he'll buy me a truck.
nice. Okay, cool. But maybe you want to buy another car at some point. I don't know. Maybe, you have a family and you got to get a bigger car or a minivan or something. All right. So what happens is you'll go to the dealership, right? And you'll see the car and it'll have what's called like the sticker price, right? You'll see the price. Have you guys ever been to a car dealership?
Yep.
Yeah. You notice like they always have like, they have like kind of like a sticker on it and they say like, oh, this is the MSRP. This is the sticker price for it, right? That price is rarely, if almost never, actually how much you pay to walk out with that car. Because there's all sorts of taxes, there are fees, there's license stuff you got to do, there's registration.
How much can taxes reach up to? What's the limit to like how much taxes can be?
Good. I mean,
Like-
this depends, dude. Like, so for instance, I went to Tampa, right, for a couple weeks ago. I went to a wedding for
Did you visit Raiden while you were at it?
I should have, dude. I didn't know Raiden was in Tampa. But actually, that's a good question here. You want to do that one real quick? Let's do that one real quick with taxes and fees, okay? Because this one will be pretty funny. So Dr. Gold goes
Geo goes to Tampa.
goes to Tampa and buys some drinks, okay?
buys a ticket to a concert or something.
Well, no, because this is real world. Actually, what happens? He buys drinks for his
Girlfriend? Oh
No,
wait, you have one.
I don't have one. It's my friend, my friend's bachelor party.
Doesn't have one.
Yeah, well, me and my girlfriend broke up a couple months ago, so I'm kind of done with girlfriends for a little bit.
They're expensive. I
Well, the
heard.
boy-
They are very
Then why does that
expensive.
period look like a heart?
Oh wait, maybe that's why Dr. Gold got so much money now.
Yeah, I'm not spending on dinners. Yeah, I'm spending on
Dr.
you
Gold,
guys.
if you're done with relationships, then why does that period?
I'm not
look like
done
a
with
heart?
relationships. I'm taking a break. Okay, so he buys some drinks for his friend's bachelor party. Okay, one bottle of tequila.
Champagne.
Well, it was tequila. I got tequila. And actually, I know how much this was. It is equal to $290. Okay. If
Yes, sir.
if he buys two, and tax and tip is 28%, what was the total cost? Okay. This is another example of out the door, right? Because when I came into, pardon?
28%.
28%, yeah, 28% is the what they call like the tax plus gratuity is what they actually technically call it. So if you ever go to the club,
That reminds me of
Gratuity service, right?
it is like service. So
28%.
usually
28% reminds me of how much I waste on life.
okay, all right, Grim. But yes, when you go to a restaurant or something, right? You guys usually you should like pay tip, right? Because the servers need to make money because wherever they work doesn't pay them enough money, so they live off tips. It's a whole fucked up system in our country.
Does my number count as a tip?
Does your number count as a tip? I don't know. Giving a girl your number count as a tip? No, because she can't pay her rent with your number. That's at the end of the day. That doesn't count.
Maybe she can.
Well,
Yeah, maybe she can.
oh man,
Maybe the person costing the rent is actually like one of my good friends, and
Yeah.
then they
It-
that I helped before and pay for their
Yeah, in a
for,
very
for
a very
tuitions or
a
something.
very extreme case that could happen. Okay. So
Yeah, in a very gay.
yeah.
Still
Okay.
possible.
Back to lessons here. Total cost, or we're gonna say out the door. Okay. Because again, I walked
What's
into
out
this
the door
club and
again?
I was like, oh cool, bottles are 300. I'm gonna probably spend like $600. That's fine, right? And then I got the final bill and I
You
was like,
never
oh fuck, I forgot about tax and tip, which is always a lot for clubs.
you never actually said what out the door was, but okay.
Sorry, out the door is the final price that you pay. Okay.
Oh, but
It-
why didn't you just say total cost?
because a lot of times they call that like out the door is what they'll say. It's just I want
Get
you
out
guys
my
to know all
door.
the phrases. You know, the price out the door is what they say. Cost out the door. Okay, so here's how we would start this question, right? First way we would start this was, how much is this gonna cost without tip? So we're gonna say, how much without tax basically would it cost? So I want you to answer this, Grim.
$5 million.
No, read the question. It's a word problem, dude.
How much would it cost without tax? $290.
Yeah, but how many bottles did I get?
Wait. Oh God. Someone's cutting grass near me.
Okay.
Okay. You would pay off the top of my head, I'd say like about 400 and actually no,
No.
it'd be about
Good. 500 and
$581.
580.
Off the
580.
top of my head, I'd say that.
Yeah. Well, you did 2 times 290, right? That's 580. Okay. Good.
Close my something real quick. BRB.
What? Grim. Okay. We'll wait for Grim to come back so I can teach him about tax and tip.
Done. The noise should be less.
Pardon? Oh, I didn't hear any noise. You're good,
The
dude.
noise.
No, you're good. You're good on noise,
You
dude.
didn't hear any noise? You didn't hear that massive fucking thing right there?
No.
Well, you're deaf. Oh well.
Okay. All right, dude. Okay. So here's a good question here now. Now we're gonna ask, how much is the tax and tip? Do you know how to calculate how much of so this is where percentages come into play, Grim, right? Because what percentage is the tax tip?
If I remember correctly, you have to turn the 580 into a decimal or something.
No,
like
no,
that?
no, no, no. You don't turn the 580 into a decimal. You're gonna turn the percentage. Good. You're gonna turn the percentage into a decimal. Okay.
To a whole number, I think.
Well, no, you turn it into a decimal. So 28%. Do you know how to turn a fraction into a decimal?
Wait, let me get a piece of paper. Because
Okay.
I want to use a calculator. Yeah.
Well, you don't need a calculator for this, dude. There's no need for
Yeah,
a
that's
calculator.
why I'm getting a pencil.
Well,
Honey,
you
you got a pencil? Oh well. Okay, put the 28 and put the 20. I'm pretty sure. Oh, a pen, thank you. If I remember correctly, you have to slide the. You have to slide the 28 the zeros. You have to move the decimal point.
You got to move the
and the
decimal. You got to
28.
move the decimal 2 places to the left. 1.
Yeah, 2 places to
2.
the left. That'd be 0.28.
Good. Very
and
good. Very
that'd
good.
be 20 out of 100.
Right. So what you did here,
that'd be-
Grim, is you just divided by 100. Dividing by 100 is the same thing as moving the decimal 2 places to the left. Okay.
Okay.
Cool. That's a good thing to know.
Yeah.
All right. Cool. This is what we call, like, this is the decimal form of the percentage. Okay.
Okay.
Now what you're trying to do is you're trying to figure out, right, what is 28% of $580, okay? And the way to do that is to multiply this 0.28 by the 580.
Wait, why? If it's already a decimal, why
Mhm.
would you multiply?
Okay,
You
so-
can just add it.
No. So 28% of 580 is the same thing as saying 0.28 times 580. Okay?
500. Okay.
I can show you why this is. Okay, here's a good question, Grim. What's 50% of 100?
50% of 100 is
50.
$58.
It's just 50, right? 50% of 100 is 50. So
Yeah,
do you
divided
see
by
how this would be 0.5? Do you see how I move this decimal place twice to make it 0.5? And then I
Yeah.
multiply it by 100, and that gets me 50. Do we see that?
Yeah.
So anytime you want percentage of something, turn the percentage into a decimal and then multiply it by the something.
Okay.
Okay. So I have 0.28 times 580 because I want 28% of 580. Okay.
Okay.
So that ends up being 162.4. Okay. This is what the tax / tip is. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So then let's go back to like what.
Wait, you. Okay, never mind.
No, you're good. What was your question?
I was gonna say, so you multiplied 0.28 by 580.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So now I know that that's 162.4. Okay. So then let's look at what was the final question? What was I asking at the end?
You were asking how much would your total cost be?
Well, good. What would the
So
total cost be?
580 plus 162. That'd be 700. That'd be 700. What's it called? For yeah, 700 for put a 4
Uh-huh.
2.4. 704.2. I mean point 4.
I think it's
Wait.
742. 742.4.
Yeah.
Yeah.
742.4.
Good.
That's what I said.
Yeah, good
Well,
job.
why did you
Good job,
put a
Grim.
0?
I didn't put a 0. What are you talking about?
Yeah, I heard you did.
Yeah, well, I made a mistake.
I saw that. You put
742.
7.04.
I was just saying what you said. It's okay, Grim. Grim, it's okay. Good job, Grim. Grim.
Hold
Grim.
on,
Grim, do you understand now percentages and dollars and stuff more? Does that make more sense to you?
Yeah.
Thanks, dude. Nice. Here, you get a bond coin for
Dr. Bo,
that.
do you teach history?
I don't really teach history, honestly. History to
Can
me
we
is...
go over Mesopotamia?
Can we go over Mesopotamia, dude? What? Dude, to me, history is just a lot of memorizing is all it is,
Bro,
honestly.
dude, I want to take an AP science so badly. I want to take like AP government.
Uh-huh.
You want to be
year.
in the government? If you're in the government, you have to and
Yeah, I'm taking another dual credit course for sure next year.
if you ever get into the government, get me some connections, bro.
Yeah, for what? For what? What do you need connections for?
We don't talk about what I need them for. What matters is that I need them. Okay.
He's like, I need those government connections, dude. What? All right,
Yeah.
I got 5 more minutes because I have to. Unfortunately, I won't be able to play recess with you guys after this. I have to teach another student in 12 minutes.
We can end early if you want.
Yeah, we can do that too. So yeah, does that? Here, I'll ask the chat. And you guys got
You're gonna end early. So.
anybody got last minute questions?
Yeah, I got a last minute question.
Maybe Nick does. Yeah, I know it's a joke. Oh,
Is there
he's
something you want to share about chemistry?
Oh, I can share something about chemistry.
yeah. What? All right,
Okay.
Grim, be careful. Okay. All right. Yeah. Cool. We'll end office hours early because good. That'll give me a chance to eat something quick before I have to go teach. Anyways, thank you guys all for coming to office hours. I hope you guys learned something. And if you ever have questions in math or science, join our Discord. You can come post questions and you earn rewards.
And you can come talk to me if you want to talk.
You can
Yeah,
also
Dr.
talk
Bo,
to Grim.
Do you get a bond coin if you sub to the Twitch?
If you sub to the Twitch, I don't think so. Yeah, no. Yeah, no.
You should.
Well, you get a special role. You get a special role. You get a special Twitch subscriber
Yeah,
role.
but that's not good enough.
Wait, actually? Wait, do I
can
have
only,
it on
Yeah,
there?
you do, dude. You have the Twitch subscriber role. Yeah, Philip. That's why
No, what I feel you should do is like if you're a subscriber, you should give the subscriber should get one band coin once per month.
Okay, I could think about that.
Like
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean, you guys already also. So Philip, here's the bonus about being a subscriber. Is that you earn channel points 20% faster. So essentially, you do get bond coins for being a subscriber because you get channel points quicker.
I only get 1.2 multiplier.
Yeah, 1.2. It's 20% faster. So if for instance you get one bond coin per day, right? I think that's what you guys average, right? About one per day, off of just watching the stream.
No, I get one per 2 days.
1 per 2 days. I see some people getting whatever. It's close to like 1 a day. It's around there. The 20% multiplier, the 1.2 multiplier means that every 5 days you get an extra one. So in reality, you're getting an extra 5 bond coins a month for being a subscriber. Which
That's if you watch all the Twitches.
correct. Yeah, well, yeah, and that's true. Yeah, you have to watch the Twitches. But which again is all this is all part of the model though, Philip. You understand the model is to the whole reason I give out bond coins, the whole reason I give out gift cards and whatnot is to encourage participation.
Encourage students to learn.
Good. There. Thank you, Philip. Right, exactly. So if I just gave bond coins for like just doing nothing, like that doesn't really, bond coins to me always have to have some sort of value of like, did you learn something, or did you run more steps, or like, did you do something to better yourself?
Oh, I'm gonna submit
I
mine
feel like
today.
Good.
I feel like I feel like you like in like some streams you should instead of just like teaching like answering questions, I feel like you should just teach one subject for that and add a test, and like they can get a band coin if they pass that test.
Yeah, no, that's cool. And so okay, another announcement for y'all that are watching. So Catatonic, who's one of my good friends and he's a TA, is doing a separate. So you guys remember I used to always post questions in the extra credit channel.
He's doing
bond
one for
coins.
$150, bro.
Well, he's doing 3. I think he's doing 3, and each one's for $50. But yeah, so Catatonic.
I'm planning to try winning all 3.
Catatonic is being very generous, and he's encouraging you guys to also. I love this. Like this is totally like this is the type of stuff I like to see. Yeah, good. I want you to win one too, Philip. Dude, Philip, you can win $50,
I'm planning
dude.
to win all 3 by using the Inspire.
The TI Inspire, yeah. Well, so anyway, check in the extra credit channel if you want to learn how to win $50. I think you can win up to 150 if you get all of them.
First serve, because it might not be fair for everybody.
Well, read the rules. I didn't come up with the rules. I let Catatonic come up with the rules.
He said he was gonna do it on Friday so that it can be fair and everyone could read it.
Cool. All right, cool. He's gonna do it on Friday, so that's your guys' opportunity to kind of take a quiz or take a test. Also,
I stay up all night just waiting for it.
Al Prince is doing the reading challenge, right?
Yep.
So and that challenge is worth 7 bond coins. Good. I'm glad you signed up. Yeah.
I feel like it's the season of the challenges.
Yeah, we're having we want to encourage, and I love this. I love that I have other friends and other people who also believe in like rewarding you guys for learning more and doing more, and like that's 100% what I'm trying to like just encourage.
Man, I would do a challenge.
I don't want to hold you, Dr. Gold. I'm gonna go see ya.
All right, cool. Thanks, Philip.
Thanks
for seeing you. Okay. All right, yeah,
and
I do have.
Warzone or Apex?
Pardon, what?
Who won Warzone and Apex?
We'll announce that on Friday. I told you guys voting ends on Friday.
On Friday these days.
Everything's on Friday, dude. Look forward to it. Okay, guys. I will see you. Tomorrow's office hours is gonna be at 3:00 Pacific, 5:00 Central, 6:00 Eastern. So I'll see you guys there. Have fun.